Guys, it's Kate here with AB Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to draw an Among Us character. You can draw this with markers, crayons, color pencils, whatever you like. The concept's still the same. Okay, so let's start off with the top of the character. So we're going to kind of do somewhat of an oval that's straight on the left-hand side, like so. That's the back of the body. Now we're going to do the mask, which is an oval on both sides, and then straight at the bottom, like so. And you want to join it a couple centimeters from the inside of the mask. And then for the body, you want to go straight down and curve to make 1 foot. Then you're going to do a little bit of a diagonal line for the belly and another curve for the foot. And then you want to attach these 2 lines with a straight line, and there you go, you have the body. Now for the backpack, you want to do a curved line at the top, curved line at the bottom, and then a straight line to connect. It's that simple. Okay, so now we're going to color him in, and you can pick whatever color you want. You can customize this however you want. That's the fun part about it. I'm gonna pick red, so you need a light color, and then you need the dark color. So I'm gonna start off with my light color, so I'm starting from the top, and then coming down into a square, and then joining at the tip of the mask there. And then for the backpack, it's just a diagonal line. And then you're going to color all that area in. And it's okay if you mess up or you color outside the lines. It makes it unique. And yeah, you can learn from it and do it better next time. It just takes practice. Okay, so once you do your light colored shade, you're going to go in with your dark color, which is just a bit darker than the shade you were just using. And you're going to fill in all the white space on the body. And once you get the body done, you do the same for the backpack. Fill in all the white space on the backpack. Okay, and now we're going to do the face mask. So you want to start off with a light blue on top. You're going to make an oval like so and fill that all in. And then you're going to get a darker blue and fill in the white space. And once you're done doing that, you're going to get a white color and make a small circle in between the light blue circle. And that's it, you're done. Hopefully this was easy to follow. If you have any more requests on how to draw videos, drop a comment down below, and please like and subscribe. Thanks so much.